Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change your Snapchat profile picture. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, open up the Snapchat app. Now, once you're in here, just go to the top left and tap on your Bitmoji. Okay. Tap on it, wait for it to load. And once it loads, tap on your public profile right here. Okay. Just tap on it. Now go ahead and tap on edit right here at the very top. Now tap on the pencil icon once more. And just tap on choose from library. Okay. In here, go ahead and upload the profile picture that you want. Okay. Just wait for it to load. And then once it loads, you can go ahead and move and scale it. If not, just hit on confirm. And once done, you're good to go. That is it. Now, if you want to change your Bitmoji avatar, okay. If this one is what you meant, this one, all right, this guy right here, well, you're going to want to tap on the this icon right here at the top, okay? Just tap on it. Now go ahead over to avatar, like so, and just start, okay? And after that, just tap on save right here at the top right, and you'd be good to go as well. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.